Hello, I am Dr. Anka Arora, Senior Consultant Neurologist, Department of Neurosciences, Medipulse Hospital.
Hi, I'm Komal Naruka. I am a neuropsychologist working here.
Today we want to talk a little bit about dementia, its causes, how to recognize it early, how to diagnose it, and what are the different treatment options that are available for patients who come with this disease. India has a very large growing elderly population, and dementia is a very under-recognized and largely prevalent disease in our elderly patients. Dementia is not a single disease. It is an umbrella term which is used for many diseases in which the patient comes with complaints of memory disturbances, behavior changes, and disability in carrying out their everyday routine activities. The most common cause of dementia in India and worldwide is Alzheimer's disease. However, in India, metabolic syndrome or early strokes, vascular risk factors, diabetes, hypertension are all other causes which can lead to dementia and early memory disturbances. Unfortunately, most of these diseases present early in life and then they progress, and when the patient develops memory disturbances, by then already the disease has set in and it becomes hard to treat, which is why it is very important to recognize the syndrome of dementia and its early warning signs and seek treatment so that this disease can be treated and the progression can be slowed down. So, in order to recognize this disease, we have a battery of cognitive tests or memory tests that are available, in which the patient can come in, and if they suspect that they are having early memory disturbances or early behavior changes or disability in doing their routine activities, then we suspect that maybe this can be an early sign of dementia, and then we can do these tests. And I will ask Ms. Komal to speak a little bit more about these cognitive tests which are available in the diagnosis of dementia.
So basically these tests are very short and it depends on the symptoms which are presented by the patient. Like when the patient is priorly diagnosed with dementia, we do a full battery assessment which is very detailed, and it takes approximately 1.5 hours to assess one patient only. But when the patient is not priorly diagnosed, we do simple screening tests like MOCA, MMSE, which are short 10 to 15 minute pencil paper test. In that test, basically we interview the patient, we ask some simple routine questions, and so it is not like a school exam like some people think that it is going to be a very tough interview. It is just some simple test, simple questions which we ask them, and if the patient is not able to answer them, then they are referred to the particular doctor which are there.
We would also like to share that in Medipulse Hospital, we have started this early dementia screening program, and we are screening patients of diabetes, hypertension, heart disease, renal disease, even before the development of these symptoms, so that we can catch these patients early and they can undergo early interventions for preventing and treating dementia. So the entire month of October, we will be running these cognitive screening tests free of cost for patients who are already suffering from chronic diseases, so we can pick up on this disease, because sometimes when this disease progresses beyond a certain limit, then it is not treatable. So it is very important to diagnose it early, to differentiate the treatable and the non-treatable causes of dementia, and to initiate early cognitive treatment, metabolic treatment, vascular treatment, as the case may be. So if anybody that you know is aware, is suffering from memory disturbances, is a chronic diabetes or a hypertensive patient, or if you feel that you are having problems remembering things, behavior changes are there, you are not able to carry out your daily routine activities the way you were able to a few months ago, then maybe you need to come and get your cognitive health tested.